morning everyone. My name is Mehak. I am pursuing my Masters in Chemistry from IIT Delhi and I have done my graduation from Delhi University Kirorimal College. Today we are going to learn about electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. As we know, arenes are highly unsaturated hydrocarbon but they behave like saturated hydrocarbon. The reactivity of arenes are higher than alkanes but lower than alkene for alkynes. The reactivity is lower due to the stability they get by their resonating structures. In substitution reaction, therefore electrophilic substitution reaction. The first example of electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation reaction. They react with chlorine and bromine gas in presence of anhydrous AnCl3 or FeBr3 as a catalyst and produce chloro or bromobenzene. Substitution reaction is the reaction in which hydrogen of the benzene ring is replaced by a monovalent atom or monovalent groups. In this reaction, if we use an excess of the electrophile, then all the hydrogen of the benzene ring will be progressively replaced by the monovalent atom. However, we can do chlorination and bromination very easily, but iodination is not directly feasible because in iodination the HI produced react with aryl iodide and make the reaction reversible. But if we use oxidizing agent in iodination reaction, then that hydrogen iodide is oxidized to iodine gas and the reaction can proceed forward. In substitution reaction, one of the main reaction comes is nitration. In nitration, the NO2 plus group is the electrophile which is attached on the benzene ring. The NO2 plus group is generated by using nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. Here you can show that HNO3 plus H2SO4 mixed to form NO2 plus electrophile. That NO2 plus electrophile goes with benzene ring and replace the H plus atom. Now we will study the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. Now in arenes, in benzene, there are two electron clouds, one above the plane and one below the plane. Due to the highly delocalized electron cloud above and below the plane, pi electron, they are easily attracted towards the electrophile. So they easily form electrophilic substitution reaction. Now the first step of mechanism is the generation of electrophile. Like in nitration, the electrophile is generated by the mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4. After the generation of electrophile, the electrophile approach to the benzene ring and it is a flow reaction in which it will attach to the benzene ring and the carbocation is formed. Now the carbocation is stable due to its resonating structures and after that the carbocation H plus is lost to regain the aromaticity. Substitution reaction can be two types where replacing the H plus or we can add the substituted group. Arene for substitution by replacing because they want to gain the aromaticity. However, alkenes and alkynes do substitution addition reaction. After loss of H plus, they got their aromaticity back and that's how we get electrophilic substitution reaction product. Thank you so much.